We're about 14 inches off the ground. Easy. As you can see, all 4 bamboos onto the shed. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the only one that's tight. I think that's where the creature got up onto there and dug whatever hole they did. But 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I just need to drill a hole for my eye loop thingamajig into this skid. I'm gonna get on here about 12 inches in, dig a hole in there, and put the loop on this side after I drill into it to hook the rope to. And I have straps long enough to go from this post over here. I'm gonna go from that post and this one, my strap and the come along, and start winching. And fingers crossed, she starts moving. So you can see, all 4 bamboos onto the shed. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the only one that's tight. I think that's where the creature got up onto there and dug whatever hole they did. But 1, 2, 3, 4. Good morning, good morning, y'all. Hey, from that little preview scene, hey, what y'all think? Decided to get me a little get up, you know. If y'all interested, hit me up. I'll get it to you for a little charge. Help me do stuff around here. But hey, jump right into it. We're jumping right into it. Got a jack on the truck. We all ready to go. I'm gonna lay out the straps, see how far they go, and we're gonna get ready. Now, I put something together yesterday at work. I don't think it's gonna fit. It looks short, but we're about to find out right now. I put this together yesterday at work. Oh, perfect. Well, now just gotta adjust this one. Yeah. But the plan is to drill holes in the skid and put these swivel eye loops, if you want to call them that. And I have connectors on the chain. This is what we used to lift motors with. So let me drill the holes, bolt these up, and adjust the chain. Run the straps and see where we're at. Y'all not gonna believe this. There were already holes down here. Oh my gosh. There were already holes. Man. Today's gonna be a good day. It is gonna be a great day. Oh boy. Let me go and set this up. All right, we got the pieces in place. Everything's hooked up. Now to run the straps from there down, make sure we got enough length. If not, I'm gonna have to use the truck. I'm not trying to, but before we do all that, I'm gonna go around and remove these forms and then get ready. The reason I'm in such a rush, we have a thunderstorm coming this afternoon. Don't know what time. They say around 1, 2, but it's the weather. You don't know how that goes. Then in a couple of days, we're getting frost. So I need to hurry up and get this done so I can tend to the plants and get them covered. I got the straps hooked up to the come along. If this doesn't work, my neighbor already told me, give him a holler, because he has that Jeep right there with a winch on it. So let's see what happens. Oh, first, we'll take the foams off. Almost forgot about that. I was so excited about moving the shed. I was skipping so many steps. Like, seriously. Forgot to take the formwork from around the footers, and almost forgot to grab the HDPE plastic to put down at the footers, cut around the footers, so just covering the grass, the footers, or I might just leave it, and yeah, I'm gonna leave it and just pull a shed directly over it. So let me go get the HDP. It's right over there with the trampoline. You can see that black plastic behind the potatoes. That's what I'm getting to cover this area. Then we can move the shed. Golly. Whew. I don't know what HDP stands for, but it got to be high density something. Polyurethane, something. Because that thing heavy, man. Let me move the strap, lay it out, put staples in it. Then we see some movement. All right, it's laid out. The orange spots are where the footers are, so I know where the line is set up at. And you may be wondering why the excess on the left over here and on the right. Remember, if you watched my video, collected all those buckets to collect rainwater for the plants. I am still going to follow through with that. I don't want to have grass growing up where the buckets are. Being most of the buckets are white, if you leave water sitting too long in white containers, they start growing algae faster than they would in a darker bucket. So being between the shed and the greenhouse will help to prevent that. I don't want any grass over there. We're in Florida. We got snakes and such, little critters. Okay, on this side, over here, I need to move all onto this edge as much as I can fit, because next year progress starts on this area, or maybe even before that. If you haven't caught it yet, there's nothing I do without a reason behind it. I'm not for folly, not really for fun sometimes. You know, everything I do has a reason behind it. So let me go sweep this thing off. Let's get to cranking. Fingers crossed. All right, guys, moment of truth. If that bamboo cracks, I'm stuck. I'm just gonna say that. If it cracks, I'm stuck. Because now I'll have to go buy 10-foot or 12-foot lengths of PVC or metal pipe, because I'm not paying nobody $1,500 to do this. All right. And the bamboo cracks. Yep. Hear it for yourself. It's cracking. It's cracking. But I can get the jack out. Still gonna try though, because the first one doesn't seem too bad. Oh, we'll see. I like to do sketchy stuff. Ooh ah, ooh ah. 'Cause the army raised me rough. Right. You guys right here. Put you in the shade so the sun doesn't overheat the phone. 'Cause I can't afford to buy a vlog camera. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna pull this. Damn. Y'all saw that, right? I know y'all saw that. Why won't this thing work? It's a little bit of a sad news. It's not bad. It's just sad. You saw the shed, well, you heard it crack the hell out of the bamboo, and shattered. These are strong. So me waiting too long to get this done, you know, I waited too long. But hopefully my neighbor has a landscaping company and he's gonna bring a skid steer this weekend so we can shim it. But good news, my neighbor with the Jeep that I showed earlier, and this is what we got. We got about 5 feet on it. We moved it about 5 feet. But it wasn't, with the winch, his vehicle was coming towards the shed. So we didn't have enough waiting. So, hey, you never fail if you don't try. Remember that. So, this is where we're at. Good progress. Now we know. I ain't gonna say it. But appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully, fingers crossed, God willing, next video, it'll be in place. You get to see it being put in place. It's gonna be 3 of us and not just me. So 3 brains. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. All right. A little side, because I picked up some passion fruit vines, and if you can tell what this is, that was a frame for an above ground pool that I received that I'm not using. So got some passion fruit vines to plant, and I'm going to use this as the trellis for that. I'll show you guys more when it's done. But appreciate you guys watching. Love you guys so much. Keep the comments coming. Don't forget to like the videos, guys. Please don't forget to like the videos. It helps immensely. It helps. The more likes I get, the more the video is pushed out on YouTube. All right? But thank y'all so much. Love you guys. And we'll see you in the next video.